Yeah, put me through the box up, please. Yeah, what's going on? What's it happening? I want to get some alcohol. Well, I'm back to 80 export, bro, for a carton. Yeah. $35. What that, carton glass, bro? Yeah, for what? Right now, I'm not in food extra.
Which one do you want? Do you want the Sunny Bar or the Cool Bar?
The Cool Bar, bro, that's my favorite. $16, right? It used to be 10, bro.
Yeah, 16 now.
It's going up, eh?
Yeah.
Now, I've got a bit of a problem, bro.
What's
I
that?
live on Manning Road, right?
Yeah.
I'm in a wheelchair. So it might take me a while to get there. What time you closing, right?
Because it's 12.
I wouldn't be able to get there in time, bro. I've got me a Kingdom. Can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Will you drop it off on the way to work, on the way home from work?
No, sorry, I can't do that.
That's all, I'll give you some money for dropping it off, bro.
What's that?
I'll give you some money for dropping it off.
I can't do it. There's so much thing after it.
Where you gonna go?
I've got to go to the mate's house.
Yeah, will you pick me up and we'll go there and have a good night?
Yeah.
No?
Sorry.
But yeah, just drop it off from my house, please.
Yeah, where's your house?
I'm Manning Road.
Where's your house?
183. Yeah. Now,
Which end is that?
ask me Kennington, bro.
The Kennington end?
Yeah.
No worries.
I'll tell you what to get, alright?
I'll do that for you.
I'll tell you what to get.
What do you want?
I want a block of carton glass.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Fruity extra.
Yeah.
Give me 2 fruity extra flavors.
Yeah.
2 packs of Winfield Red.
Yeah.
A pack of salt and vinegar Zamboi chips.
I was in the sandwich.
What do you got?
What's the snake?
You got Pringles?
What's the gun?
I'll get salt and vinegar Smiths.
Yeah.
And just one vodka cruiser, bro. Just one.
What flavor?
Eh?
What flavor was the cruiser?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah, bro.
We don't have any Coca-Cola.
Why not? Alright, well, you bring your drop that off to me?
Yeah, no worries.
183 Manning Road. My name's Nigel, alright?
Gotcha.
Yeah, so what time you drop it off, though?
So, depends. We finish at 12.
You finish at 12?
Yeah.
Alright, so you got my address?
183 Manning Road.
Yeah, no, I'll give you $4 for dropping it off, bro.
$4, a bit generous.
Yeah, but there's a bit of profit. I don't have any money now.
Yeah.
But if you pay for it, then I'll pay you back when I get my dog check,
No
alright?
worries, I'll do that.
I'll pay you back. So you do that, right?
Hey, yeah, I'll get you some more as well.
You doing some more? Alright, thanks a lot, bro. I appreciate it, eh? See you, cuz.
See ya.
schools with no teeth. Back on the streets, we got news for little streets and comedy for walking. Naturist, living fountains, I saw the fountains till September. The month of all this and fountains. Money in the laundry bag, hold your tongue chainsaw. Next thing you know it, his head starts rolling, his body swollen, his fucking tongue is stolen. No more growing, I'm colon. This moment is growing. Crack, tight, thunder and lightning. Feel the sword of the Viking. Fight me. Look at your fist, there be no fighting. The sacrifice me. Nothing to deny, protect your life. Leave your coffin in the darkness. Look jack with the power on the grave. You hear a howl from the caves. Then I snatch out your arm and give it to your arms. Sing along, sing along, sing along. And I'm firing hard. Till it gets dark. Still the darkness of your heart. You're losing the mark. The whole fucking world apart. Selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn things, selling people a dream. And yo, rappers don't lose it. Freestyles are losing. Industry movies, living out the movie. It's Scarface, my race. Some support hate, like support days. I'm down to escape, so hold your rain. My niggas brag too much, fuck with us, you bag you up. Same place that you thought to back you up. It's not ain't eliminate hate and over race. Enough to change the whips, let's make brains clips. You're a brainy bitch. queen from out of town wagging her swing all round with your glasses. The woman asking what made men jackasses. Everything including your company jacking, you niggas asking for your ransom. And next thing you know, they got a nigga dancing, chances out these advancements. And how y'all gonna pay back these back taxes? This ain't healthy for your assets. It's like the face of this bastard, your career ain't happening. After the monkey races, the pork done been stabbing. Single to the ear, but bitter to the heart. Solid imitate part of the art of dart throwing. Starring the Wu-Tang Sportsmen. Raindrops fall, the block remains hot. Still rises from the streets, which forms the clouds that I move through. Renew my famous sports style. A large spoken, the golden code of silence has been broken. My terrorists, swing through wickedness and fools. As I ascend and extend, I sing then. Born from grace, trying to trace the origin. But there's no beginning or end to the lifeline. Sons of man forever shine through the light line. Hold up, yo, this rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn pain, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn pain, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn pain, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get cream, turn pain, selling people a dream. Several rap stars, reminisce star, born in the rapture of the barcode. This one soul like old gold, I'm so cold. Endlessly more, bridges of door, through the doors, filling me more, enemy more, willing hardcore, ready for talk, shaking, break the doors, making me go, open the doors, filling my doors, let's in the war, the art of war, he lets the forward front, the God is starving, the starting artist, another target on your market, style is garbage, you get bombarded, whole clip slap retarded, don't be harder than these, please, slugs in the body, it's physical domination, lyrical laceration, brutal termination, when you fuck with the federation, collaborating with my nation, discussing allegations, conversating about the downfall of Satan, ghetto frustration, keeps my head weak naked, constant motivation, keeps my world in rotation. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game ain't what it seems. Artists get free, turn things, selling people a dream. This rap game, I gotta figure that out. This rap game. Exclusive and fascinating. Street knowledge education. Teach the seed, son, no procrastinating. Get along and graduating. Blessed be the ones with patience from the ancient. God bless the child at home with his own. Shorties don't trust the tongue, it's all ball control. When the fire pressure in the rock left. Connect like the knowledge, bring the intellect. Teach both sex, put one since the past. Another female who follows footsteps and correct. I'm a child of strong, like my walk. Like Jesus, more home to a reservoir. Getting on to the no take charge. Hard with the breath like Kenny Buzz. The storm in the streets where we don't see. souls of the fallen soldiers. Fallen to Jehovah, written by the King Cobra. Rolling the sickle, listen picture. Never holding liquor store. Powerful man compass in the premature. I try no more, but when it rains it pours. I'm secure in the storm, I'm sure it's war. God bless the child, you're necking and wild. Like necking and foul, so rock miles down. Until I return to Alpha Mound. Must bring the reptiles and the Gentiles. Wind up in the midtown. Abuse the gym for a while. Take a split shot. But my brother body on the James Cloud. Being bad by the state cops. Just double language. Walk around nameless. Fuck strangers. My heart is full of anguish. Short life is dangerous. Devil cop to aim at us. Society to gain our trust. Fuck a 9 to 5. I'm sleeping 9 to 5 and watch you die slow. Cause you know that I know. In the ways of the world again. Sticks and stones with a negative roam. What the baby bring home? Pizza, start the Roman in the dome. Make the rain a song about. I pull a muscle in the house. All your hell is a hot kettle burning cause I'm black. My realm is the rap. My wooden floor shot a crack. Pneumonia, the state is straight flipped off plutonium. Landmines ammonium, nuclear uranium. I'm in an accident with high beams, today's explosive. Walking through my warfield, we feel through my kill. Reverse straight to the level. Bring your hair, I see the blood spill. Aspirin needs pill. The world today. took me off with the album cover. It took a long time. I've been waiting. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people have. I'm gonna have to take it. Malfunction, your internet with internet. Stores in the sun's a mansion. You ain't internet. Movie trapped you like Solomon Temple. Trying to steal a jewel out my mental. Century. Devils drop your soul like a rental. The hell what we been through. Since we stopped speaking Hebrew, we got raw stuck underneath you. We can't they need you. They plan to defeat you. My seed soon to lead you. It's good versus evil. You got it all set up. You think everything. You know what I'm saying? You think it's all set up. You think everything. $1 black power. Restore the real world more. We all love them. Oh yeah. 100 my plan. Got it locked up. Oh yeah. Can't get locked up. Oh yeah. Nothing but stop when you're playing. And I'm talking about Papa's my man. And oh yeah. Now by the river. Oh yeah. Now I'm just drinking through man. It's perfect. Oh yeah. Make what I know when I ran. To the 8 to the 9 to the 2 G's. Never playing the phenomenal. crazy 99 like strong platinum rhymes. Can you see the love? You know we be the thugs. Work the keyboard and please the Lord. Lyrics keep me on why the rich receive the sword. Couldn't stay in one spot, too long, split it four. Told the truth, no toys, war artists, four doors. I rock concerts and my heart hurts. Doing love look like star search. Take me on a monster. Said, can you see the love? Even though we be the thugs. Mathematical, mathematical mechanism enhanced with my wisdom. Coming from common other Islam keeps me calm. When I attack, we get off. The wrong side of the ice, we get wrong. So they get the wrong. Slugs, live through your arms. Double back, so we can have some flag. Hope the bloodshed, let me get back. But I really need that. Even hanging fast, so make that bad. Out the window, living so like hot chemicals. Burning the dust from the air that they have. So we do the battle. I separate the atoms out of wreck. With a snap bottle, only a power can be black. He's back, complete tracks. Facts, contacts, nothing to roll back. Sons of men got rhyme for days. Word up. Faggot ass MC. Spitting out garbage rhyme. Faggot ass MC. Word up. Slap the shit out of you, motherfucker. Tonight is the night that you will lose a fight. I think you better think twice before you touch that mic. You will lose your life when you fuck with the right. Trying to fight, you get blasted with the mic. Tonight is the night that you will lose the fight. Before you touch that mic. You could lose your life when you fuck with the right. Trying to fight, you get blasted with the mic. Something else, kill away like the nut. That's when the confirmation kicks. Running like the gas lips. I can't be quick. You go rest my wardrobe. The armor, something look out. Jeffrey Dahmer. Speaking of MC, about mentality. Fuck the MC, it's on the top, it's like it's on the screen. Damn.
younger.
So you got an idea to get some plans? Huh? So stop talking asking me for money, man. Hold up. Plans, man. I said plans, man.
You got some grams, motherfucker. I said some grams.
Man, fuck all that, man. I ain't living like that, man. I got grams of knowledge. What you got, man? Come on, I'm trying to get money, man, in a positive way. Fuck all that negative shit. Yo, we got money for the taker. We got money for the taker. What? Turn 66 blasters and blasters. Your ass will turn worlds and assassins. So yo, I kill with the skills that left us in metaphors. I'm worse than what? Your father. Hold up, man. Fuck the father, man. What the fuck is going on, man? I'll punch you in your fucking mouth, man. You stupid? Say this hip-hop, man. Fucking chill, man. Punch you in your shit, man. Tell that nigga something, man. Fuck, whoever trying to swing on me, man. Chill, man. This hip-hop, chill. You ain't fat, I'm chill, son. Yeah. Travel far. Travel so far. I see what niggas lyrics more new ever. Plus I'm like Brady the Trevor. So how we mechanize a nigga die to measure the inevitable beyond the ever so the death technical. Rise, get the rise in the time before celestial. No being a lyric ever hit for sight. Double sight, take flight, through the trip tonight. Walk aesthetic, blend the meteorite. Seven heavens, first deception, one the lyrics of thunder. It's like it strikes six out from under. Time to miss, trip, 6 miles and 5 minutes. Words of the gift, land for the tells out the grip of the dark pit. Sisters, God's heaven bliss. Count Dracula's holy call upon me, clip on your lips. Cause you couldn't mind me, so when it came to rap, should've vacated the premises. Make way for a killer, down low killer. Getting simple next up. I believe that's me. Hey yo, B, get on the mic for the NYC. From the metronome, that you in the groove, home alone. Blow with the chrome, nigga, I'm home to the bone. My title is known, animal, dynamical, micro, spark is full of hydro. My team is cycles, solid items in the Eiffel Towers. Second minutes let the album we contain the power. Spitting vowels, the sun's travel the wise owl. On the scene, they think we forget the dream. My horror scenes like morphine in your veins. Pass the scene, then do in the room. Send the rain, many men possess the gin. In the jungle with sin, deep within. Sun chosen, others frozen. For me explosion, my opposition. Protect my team of demolition. For competition, we keep on taking vision. Like some chicken heads on the ground. Like the shake down for folks that wanna get down. Me and my clique, chopping the sound. Infiltrate the town, town. Yo, next up, I believe that's me. Hey yo, wait, so get on the mic for the NYC. If I could true class to this true master shit, check it. Hellraiser raised from the dead, Black Lazarus. Taking after this, all king size mattresses. Brush your gap to this, make sure you hold it accurate. John the Baptist this, dip you with the fish. A lad out the genie leg, red to the wish. Trapped in the studio booth, it's all true. You better try a video shoot, or get the boot. From BK to Baruch, we shutting down groups. Gathering the loot, while you rapping in the chicken coop. Duck, goose, time in the loose. What's the use of having truth if you don't put them to use? That rappers couldn't blow if a windy storm produced. And some of Kitty song of War Wild Ranger suit. Salute the first fruit, King David first fruit. Play the earth fruit just before I execute. Next up, yo, I believe that's me. Hey yo, Meth, lock it down like LAPD. While you proceed to cut the mustard, I cut the cheese. Mr. Freeze, giving cold shoulders to receive the sickest of disease. Johnny Wake at 360 degrees. I'll be a low steez from here to overseas. Gorillas in the mist, swinging from the highest trees. Ramen in the lead, see me in the global war, being all that I can be. Camouflage fatigue, hard hitting major leagues. Bottom under sea, your battleship is sinking. 20,000 leagues, beneath sea level. Adjust the treble on that thing, get your shovel. Can you dig it? Keep talking about it while we live it. All day, every day, so really holiday. Ladies sing the blues, get the street blues. By the way, have you heard Ron Pay? Hit your block like that lava on that Ron Pay. Mega hot in the melting pot of the shot. Around the world, we unstoppable like juggernauts. UDD girl on the day, G militia, I'll make you famous. Gamma radiated verbal, going through changes. It wasn't like that. Them niggas wanted to know who we was, and they knew who we was. They knew we was sons of man, and they probably got the buzz, and niggas wanted to be around you, man, after shit like that. They wanted to know, son. They wanted to be, they heard me kicking. You know, I was kicking in the bar, saying, hey, what's up? Yeah, I know you. You know, kicking it with me, shit like on some real shit. You know what I'm saying? Like what? Yo, the morning day. day, multi-rap, Penny Hardaway, with large weight, God's day range in the garage way, quickness, slap meat on this uniqueness, relax, sofa seat status, black, beat the beat to this, the grim style, rolling swim down, son of a man who wear foul spin, 10,000 on tunes, 80 stay on loud, slang lord, applaud, 48 up on the board, holding the stainless plain sword, put your name on it, Lord, burner, 98 degrees Celsius, broke the belt, no grace, through stealth, pass it on the belt, almost lost the eagle, the diamond gem, I paid 30 legal, crashed the birds, cranberry regal, stepped off, double on waist style, bubble the tape out, real niggas who kill, flex and waist style, the treasure map, stats, billions, smashing class of trillions, glassy rock, flooded out with trillions, $1 million lawsuit, God paid it, straight, floors to the flower ass niggas, lords, what, faggots, come up over here, we got it all down, I know niggas who carry guns like the same way the earth keep the sunlight, with no spite, snatch your ice, selling they crown heights, we grab mics, Malcolm X type, Israelites, from the polar light, holy war type, we got the Lord's white, loving me, fuck the bubbly, it's the drugs in me, cover me, I want this company, they only currency, and out to live luxury, cheating lies, die comfortably, know that the rugby, like sequel Bugsy, y'all disgust me, me alone, sisters want me, a king David strong country, still be hungry, too many bad dragons, backstabbers, abracadabras, and hit by the golden daggers, bring it!
Intellectual, rhyming professional, bringing release and I'm directional. Intellectual, rhyming professionals, bring release and I'm directional. Intellectual, rhyming professional, intellectual, rhyming professional, intellectual, rhyming professional, bring release and I'm directional.
Inevitable, fedible, rhymes like sensible though. And when I let go, then I feel the ego, investing, you stressing, you're back without question. Who gets moved or slapped to a peasant, funkin' while struggling, lyrical but rushing, dumping your brain, leaving it left for recovering, tagged by the fact that at the daily contract, and then necessity, living for the backtrack.
My attitude is metal, I'm rotten to the vein. Saber tooth, tiger in the booth, still remain. You see, let it be, let the soul feel free. And it's stained with the harm from the powers that be. And it's grabbing me, jabbing me, stabbing me, magically trapped, fully back, anti-combat, gravity wrapped at the air like attraction. Hunchback chills, the sinister game reveal, homicide hill, the thunder sound, underground. Plymouth Rock, the Ralph mouth, bounce in your house, calm stop, the cursor, burst with the worst of thirst of frantic, the felonies swelling me, telling me to push the panic.
Living in the world today, making room for our seeds to see a brighter day. Who's to say real thug niggas don't pray? That's why we drop jewels, we drop jewels. Come on, living in the world today, making room for our seeds to see a brighter day. Who's to say real thug niggas don't pray? That's why we drop jewels. We drop jewels. We drop jewels. You catch it. If you don't, I say we drop jewels. Hold up. Run with jewels. Living in the world today. Living in the world today. I drop jewels. Living in the world today. Living in the world today. Drop jewels. I'm locked up for 13 years. Living like that. 8. Going on a future album. That's why I drop you. Bring it, bring it. Sounds coming, intellectual, rhyming professionals. I love to see. I love to see. Children, whoever. Everybody face not directional. That's what it's about. Coming like a storm. You know what I'm saying? See, children tonight. Everybody asks us when the album is going to drop. Here it is. Here it is. What this? What? Something there. Prodigal son. You know what I'm saying? Hellraiser. 60-second assassin. Whatever. That's how we do it. Down with it. Psychiatrist, Hellraiser, Prodigal Son, Killer Priest. So it is written. War ran to the four corners of the earth. Then ran into the sun. It read, your ass is mine.
Y'all, I remember y'all. Yeah, hey, what's happening, man? Yeah, what's up, man? Hey, we just chilling, welding and building. You know. Ain't nothing to it but to do. We just having a good time, that's all. Niggas album just finished. You know. You know, and somebody who linked it out. Ain't nobody linked it out? Oh. I linked it out. I had the Wu-Tang jacket on.